Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix missing Bluetooth icon in Windows 11 taskbar. In Windows 11 taskbar, when you click on this one icon, show hidden icons button, it should appear a Bluetooth icon here in case your PC supports Bluetooth. In case it is missing on your PC and you want to restore it, then click on this one start button on the taskbar and then select settings. Under Windows 11 settings, click on this one Bluetooth and devices option in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one view more devices. Then scroll down and click on this one option more Bluetooth settings. In the Bluetooth settings window, check this one option. Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Click on this one apply button. Click on OK button. Now, whenever you will click this one button, show hidden icons, you should see a Bluetooth icon here on your Windows 10 PC.